introduce myself. My name is Giovanni Samuel Valit. I'm from Toraja and my major electrical department number 1. And my friend,
My name is Dimas Pratama Rahman and I'm from Mobau. I live Barwaja. My mother Natika Bumron.
thank you.
Excuse me, can you tell me where library is?
There is one upstairs.
Do you know what it's open?
It's short open now. It opens at 8 a.m.
Oh God, and can you tell me how already you are English with IB?
You need check to the timetable. It is order.
Okay, and there's one more. Do you know where the restroom is?
Right behind you. Excuse me, for you tell me where the library is.
There is one upstairs.
Do you know what time it opens?
It's all of now. It's open at 8 p.m.
Oh, good. And do you know how often we learn English is?
You have to check the table. It's out there.
One more. Do you know where the room is?
Right? When you
Thanks.